Today I'm making one of my favorite recipes. Moist, delicious, totally basic, and perfect for fall. It's my pumpkin chocolate chip bread.
Did someone say pumpkin?
This recipe is easy and foolproof. Best of all, most of the moisture comes from unsweetened applesauce, so it's not as sinful as it seems. In a large bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. You need 2 eggs, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce, and then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then whisk everything together until smooth. Now add in the dry ingredients. You need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. And then last but not least, you need 1 cup of sugar. Make sure to not overmix. You want this to be just combined. Perfect. Gently fold in most of the chocolate chips, leaving a few aside for later. Now you get to decide if you want to make loaves or muffins. I am going to make muffins, so I will need a muffin tin, paper liners, and a cookie scoop. Scoop the batter evenly into the tin. For a food styling tip, you'll get beautiful results if you add a few chocolate chips to the top of each scoop of batter, and then that way they won't disappear into the muffins while they're baking. Alright, ready to bake. Now you just put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and this recipe makes about 24 muffins. Now, if you'd prefer to make loaves, all you have to do is lower the oven to 325 and bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Easy and elegant. Be sure to let your muffins or loaves cool before enjoying with a cup of coffee or a hot cup of cinnamon tea. You can even light a scented candle and wear yoga pants.
So basic.